Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today to play with the new Colourpop and Rudolph palette. I love Rudolph. It is a staple from my childhood. Love to watch it during the holidays. It is a fantastic movie. I love Colourpop's eyeshadow formula. So we are going to take a dive into this palette today, have some fun. I have some other favorite affordable products to show you as well while we just get ready together. So if that sounds interesting to you, just keep watching. This palette is so cute, and I have played with it once. I will post the look that I did, but I thought we'd play some more, try some different colors. I've got my little bag of drugstore goodies here. My niece got me this adorable bag. It says drink some coffee, put on some lipstick, and handle it. Eyebrows are done, my lids are primed, and I want to jump into some face products before we get into this palette. Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I have had this for a while and I really enjoy this product. I probably just put too much on my hand, so we're gonna one hand apply this. I do find that this wears very well. I enjoy it a lot. For concealer, I grabbed my Milani. This is their Conceal and Perfect. Nice drugstore concealer. New-ish to me. Because it is a deeper tone, let's put that on that one problem area. I'm gonna blend it in with my e.l.f. sponge. Looks good. For powder, I have my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. It's a great, inexpensive powder. You get so much product in here. I've had this a long time. It went on sale. I picked up a backup. I have a lot of it. So let's go ahead and fluff this all over the face. Okay, smooth, matte complexion. I like it. For bronzer, I grabbed my NYX bronzer. Definitely one that I enjoy. I think I got this as a gift from Ulta. If you are not a rewards member, always make sure you're checking the rewards, because I saw that if you spent, you got this for free. This was a few months back. I thought, well, sure. I've never tried that. And I like it. For highlight, let's go back into a little Wet n Wild. And this highlighter, I think I'll have until I'm 80. This is their loose highlighter, and it is in a pretty gold shade. Be careful, because it is super pigmented. But if you want to glow to the heavens, if you want to be seen from outer space, go in with it. For blush, we're going back to Milani. I love this cream blush. This is the Cheek Kiss blush. Gonna be working on a dupes video because I'm finding so many high-end products that I love. I'm like, wait a minute, this reminds me of my Milani or my NYX or my, if that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know. I always forget how pigmented this is. Be careful going in. Tone this down with a little bit of sponge. I can't wait anymore. So this Rudolph palette has some gorgeous shades. If I haven't already posted a picture, I did a look with some of the purple shades. I wanted to see what that would look like. I had a nice eggplant type shirt on. So today we are going in to the greens. I want to play with these greens. So I'm going to start in the crease, and these names are just so cute. Misfit Toys, Elf Practice, North Pole. I mean, so much fun. This first one I'm going to go into says Eat Eat, and it's a nice medium shade, medium to light shade that will be a nice transition from darker to lighter. So we're just going to go in the crease with this one. I'm going to go in with this Gadzooks shade, and I'm not even sure. Let me look. I like that. That's a very interesting shade. It's almost in the green family. Let's do this and deepen up the crease with this elf brush. And we'll go back in with that transition shade and make sure that they blend nicely together. And while I'm here, I'm just going to go under the eyes with that Gadzooks color. For the lid, I'm going to go in with this Christmassy Time first. Put it all over the lid as a base. That is beautiful. Now, if you were a matte shadow lover, you could stop right there and put lashes and mascara on and be done. I want to go into this elf practice and play with that shade because it is a pretty shimmer. Let's start in the center and start in the inner corner and see where that takes us. If we want to go all the way or if we just want to go halfway. We're just playing. Pretty. I'm going to try wetting my finger with a little bit of Fix Plus. See what that does. I think it adds a bit. Pretty. Going back into that Eat Eat shade right here. Go back into that flat brush that had the deep green in it and make sure that our lid space looks nice and even. Tilt that head back so that you can see. For the inner corner, I think I'll jump into a little bit of this North Pole, which is the lightest shade. Maybe a little bit up here. For liner, I grabbed my Essence Extreme Lasting. Still one of my very favorite from the drugstore. If you needed an inexpensive liner, easy at Ulta, I would tell you to go to the Essence section and grab this eyeliner. It is so inexpensive and it does a fantastic job. Very black, lasts all day. I love my one from BH. My biggest complaint is it's just not that easy to get it, because you have to go on BH's website. I think they had it on Ulta's at one point, but I haven't seen it recently. I do love that liner. So when I go on to buy those Birthstone palettes that I love so much, or if they're having a big sale, that's when I grab them. But you know, sometimes we are creatures of convenience, are we not? I'm actually in a gift exchange in a beauty group that I'm in, and they asked to try the Essence mascaras, which are very good. So I grabbed her those, and I grabbed her one of these because she needs to try it. You put a little bit underneath. Let me try to wing this out a little bit. We're going to go with a nude lip, so I'm going to go with the black in the waterline as well. Going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'll be right back. Lashes are curled. For mascara, we are going in with one of the Essence mascaras. This is the Sculpted Volume Mascara. I like the green one too. I should have grabbed that one, but I grabbed the purple one. This one has a curved wand and does a great job with length and volume. The purple and the green are my favorites. See the difference? That is one coat. I'm going to go in with a second coat, and because I have issues with most mascaras running under my eyes, I'm going to throw a tubing mascara on the bottom. I will have it linked below if you need to know what it is. Be right back. I am back. Mascara did a very nice job. Essence mascaras are really good. For fun, I thought we'd throw some Ardell Magnetic Wispies on. And they're on, and they're easy, and they stay on all day, and they're great. So let's jump into some Colourpop lip liner. If you're going on Colourpop's website to pick up a palette, whether it's this one or another one, because they really do have good palettes, I highly recommend the lip liners. They're very good. And for lipstick, I have the Revlon. This one is the Super Lustrous Matte in the shade Spiced Cocoa. It just glides on the lip, so long wearing, love it. And if you want to add a little shimmer to your lip, the illusion of gloss, don't forget you have your palette. You could go into one of these shades. For example, we have the Snowbank shade right here. We could go into this one and just pat it on the lips. Just on the very top and the very bottom, not all over. And there you go. A nice, glistening, glossy look without the stickiness of the gloss on your lips. To set this, I'm going to go in with some Morphe Continuous Setting Spray in the matte version. I have very much been enjoying this. Such a fine mist. Really sets the makeup, helps keep the shine away. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this look. If you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing before you leave. I do high-end, I do affordable. Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, I do videos. Come join me, come play. Mama over 40, just wanting to have some fun. Come have some fun with me. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.